Hello everyone. So this is day 3 of my like documenting my life day by day and explaining everything, expressing everything and not letting things affect me in any way or affecting my mental health also. So this is day 3, that is 3rd of January 2026, but I'm recording it on 4th of January 2026 from the last 3 days, as because from the last 3 days I was really very busy. It was a New Year Eve and my brothers were at home as it is winter vacation, and today I find the time and the space for me so that I can record it. So that's why I'm recording day 1, day 2 and day 3 in a single day, and today's day 4. I will record it around 12 in the night because the day will be over that time. So on the very first day it was New Year Eve, and on the second day I went to Rishikesh, and on the third day I felt somewhere I was not well. I was having dehydration or loose motions, you can say, because I didn't had enough water on the 1st of January and on the 2nd of January also. So that's why it affected me. And I had pulao, namkeen chawal in the lunch with some dahi. I had medicines also, some electrolytes, tablets, I can say, some warm water. Then I went to Mosi house as Dadi was there. Kittu was playing, my Mosi son, my cousin. So he was playing, he was well. Like, he is not well, but whenever you see him, he is well. He is always playing here and there, roaming here and there, but he's not well actually from the inside. That's why we went to Rishikesh AIMS, because he's getting treatment over there. So it was his appointment on 2nd of January. That's why we all went to Rishikesh. So on the third, it was a very simple day. Are what is this? Booth? It was a makhi hu mein makhi wali cheez. Okay, so yesterday was a good day, quiet day, and it was not a fun day, not very high energy kind of a day, but it was somewhere good. But in the evening, I felt something. Maybe I think it is because I was having different thoughts, or maybe I don't think according to other people. Actually, what happened? One of my cousin was here, and my Mosi. I don't. What is happening? Today? There is something, I will check it later on. I don't know if I should take the names or not, but this is what I felt. Like, somewhere, if your one of the child is not well, and the other child is also there, and you are talking to your child who is not well and giving him a lot of attention, a lot of care, a lot of love, and your other child is sitting and seeing it, like my father is playing with him, but he's not that much funny person with me. So somewhere I felt it, and it was like that yesterday he was playing a lot, he was having all fun, but today as his parents at home, and he is very, like, very sitting quietly. I think I should speak in Hindi this day. Actually, what happened ki one of my cousin is somewhere around 10 to 11 years, and other one is of 4 to 5 years. So the younger one is not well, and the elder one is somewhere very good person, very funny person, a talkative person also. So as his parents were not there, so he was playing a lot. The whole day he was out, he was playing, his friends were also playing na? And his age only is 10 years old. Then on the next day when his parents were there with him, he was not that much talkative. He was not playing. He didn't went outside. He didn't played with his friends, and I felt somewhere that this is not good. Like it is affecting his. I think this is what I think. This is not what reality is. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि कल तक जो बंदा पूरा अच्छे से खेल रहा था, सब कुछ ठीक था, आज वो एकदम से चुपचाप बैठ गया, पूरा दिन वो बाहर नहीं गया. अगर आप उसको 1-2 घंटे बाहर भेज दें अगर खेलने के लिए, क्या दिक्कत है उसमें? वो वैसे भी कर रहा है कि नहीं पढ़ रहा. छोटा ही तो अभी अभी उसकी खेलने की उम्र है, जब पढ़ना होगा पढ़ लेगा ना वो. आप ज़बरदस्ती किसी को नहीं बैठा के पढ़ा सकते, किसी से कोई काम नहीं करा सकते. आप एक बार करा लोगे, 2 बार करा लोगे, कल को वो फिर वहाँ से डिफेंड करने लगेगा खुद को, फिर आप कहोगे ये तो बदतमीज़ हो गया है. सो पता नहीं मैं सही आई एम थिंकिंग इन अ राइट वे और नॉट, बट दिस इज़ नॉट गुड अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. सो आई वॉज हैविंग अ काइंड ऑफ watery eyes yesterday when I was saying that no, this is not good, this is not, I'm with, you know, I'm against this, that you should not do this. If your child is not happy with something, please don't do that thing at all. You should always have some space where he can express what he is feeling. Like if he wants to play, just let him na for 1 hour 2 hour, that's totally fine. जब पढ़ाई का नंबर आता है पढ़ भी लेता है ना वो, ऐसे तो नहीं है. और नहीं पढ़ पा रहा तो ठीक है ना, जब कम पढ़ पा रहा होगा उसका दिमाग नहीं चलता होगा इतना. अब ज़बरदस्ती थोड़ी है ना. अब फिर देन यू से दैट कि रूट्स, जड़ें मजबूत होनी चाहिए. वो खोखली हो रही है, मजबूत तो नहीं हो रही. मुझे तो नहीं लगता मजबूत होंगी ऐसे. खैर चलो, बट इट डिड अफेक्ट मी yesterday and this thing was on my mind till the midnight, till I slept. आई वॉज हैविंग कि मुझे ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, या मुझे किसी की फैमिली में इंटरफेयर नहीं करना चाहिए था, या मुझे सबके सामने ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, या उस बच्चे के सामने ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं ये चीज़ ख़राब लगी मेरे लिए कि मुझे नहीं कहना चाहिए था. और लेकिन मुझे ख़राब वो भी लगा कि उसके साथ जो हो रहा हुआ, मुझे नहीं पता कि वो सही हो रहा है गलत हो रहा है क्या है, या उसके पीछे की स्टोरी क्या है. लेकिन जो मुझे लगा, जो मैंने बताया, तो वो कुछ ऐसा ही था. तो इट डिड अफेक्टेड मी समवेयर. So I will say it is a somewhere a red day. I will say. I will write it. So I used red pen and I crossed it with the red pen. So this is all. The 3rd of January 2026 is. मे भी शायद उस बच्चे में मैं खुद को देखती हूँ, मे बी. लेकिन इतना मेरे साथ इतना भी तो नहीं हुआ होगा, मतलब मुझे नहीं पता. मे बी शायद मैं ज़्यादा रील्स वगैरह यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखने लगी हूँ, डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देखने लगी हूँ, तो मे बी शायद इस वजह से ज़्यादा हो. बट जो मुझे लगा आई एक्सप्लेन्ड इट so that things will not be in my mind and I will not feel something which is not good. So that's it. That is for today. Take care. Tata. Bye bye. It is a red day.